Naja, a spokesperson for Huntsville Hospital, told me they tested more than 300 people at the flu and fever clinic yesterday, and some people we talked to told us they had to wait more than 2 hours to get a test. This all comes as Huntsville Hospital CEO David Spiller said there's now a demand for supplies, and they're working to get that met.
Testing equipment continues to be an issue. I wish we had access to the supplies to do another 2,000 tests in-house weekly, because I think we could provide better care to the community if we had access to those.
Huntsville Hospital CEO David Spiller said the hospital purchased additional machines to process the coronavirus test and hoped to get a higher allotment of testing supplies. For 2 days, WAAY 31 heard from viewers who went to the flu and fever clinic to get tested for the virus. They were told there was a 2 to 3 hour wait, and some were turned away after being told the clinic hit capacity. Hospital spokesperson told me it's seeing an increase in demand for testing, and if the clinic's parking lot is full, patients are not allowed in for testing, and there are other community avenues. But urgent cares across Madison County, WAAY 31 reached out to Tuesday, told us they were out of testing supplies and waiting for more. The hospital said tests currently processed for immediate return in-house are those of inpatients and hospital employees, while the other tests are sent out to labs in the state and can take at least 2 to 3 days for patients to get results. Spiller said they ordered more testing machines and hopes to get more testing supplies.
So I'd love to have twice as much capacity. We have talked to the vendors that supply us. They have basically said because everybody in the country is trying to do testing, we're pretty much limited to what we're getting right now.
Now, the hospital said the best way to get tested at that flu and fever clinic is to show up. Now, we asked the hospital if they're considering reopening that drive-through clinic they opened back in March at John Hunt Park. They told me if the number of people coming to get tested stay at the numbers that they are right now, they'll consider reopening it. Live in Huntsville, Sydney Martin, WAAY 31 News.